Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you a couple of tips on how to import subscribers into your email list with two different ways. As you know, I'm using Aweber. It's simple and easy, and also with Aweber you can use different type of campaigns and you can increase your income, but you can do different things. The thing is it's very simple and you don't really need to have a lot of skills. You should be focusing on increasing your email list, because it's very important that you have an email list, because this is the traffic that you own to your website, to your business, and also you building more personal relationship. So first of all, what you do is you sign up to your Aweber and then you go add subscribers. We have two ways, so we are going to do add one at a time. So it's very simple. You put your name here, the email, the name of the subscriber, the email. You put the tag here if you have a tag, and also here you can actually select the campaigns that you can add when you add the subscriber. Then you press add, and that's the one way. So that's a simple one way. And then we go here, the import page. So here you have a different way. You can do it here as well for individual subscribers. Like, for example, here you can download a file if you have a lead generation file, but I do that a lot of the times. And here you can, for example, have an email, like one email, like particular. Let's have mine as an example, and you can add it in there. I'm just doing an example to show you what the ones is. Two different ways. You can do it like for individual or for the whole list, so it's very easy. Then you press next here. Then you have the email, add new one. You can do here add new and update existing one if you want. This one is in new. Then we go next, confirm. Now here is asking you if you want the new subscriber to confirm the subscription to the list. Obviously no, but if it is a yes, you can do that. What they can do is to confirm the subscription, but you know what I mean. If you have leads, or if you have some emails who wants to be added to your list, you do it that way. Then you go next. Here you have the add tags and also the add to follow-up series to a different campaigns that you have for email marketing, and you can add it to anyone, and then you add it to any particular campaigns, and then you go next again. And here you can have like questions. How did this subscriber join your list? You can say from your website, for example, or somebody gave it to me as a person. You can say those things. I put the website now. You can choose wherever you want. And then here is asking you if you importing the subscribers from another email provider. The answer is no. If it is yes, you can say yes, but this one is individual, and then you submit, and then you're done. It's simple as that. You don't really need to have skills for that, because a lot of people are asking me, how do you do that? So I thought I should show you this video. It's simple. And don't forget, guys, to ask me any questions you want below, and you can actually connect with me on the social media. Don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel. I do videos every Thursday, and have a lovely day. I wish you well.